Hey, it's Ivan with Powers Premier with another spotlight on National Days. It's International Beer Day. We celebrate on the first Friday of every August, and since it started in 2007, it's grown from a small pub in Santa Cruz, California, into a worldwide event spanning 207 cities, 80 countries, and 6 continents. O'Sullivan's is located in Carlsbad Village, and it's known for its friendly service, its Irish feel, and its traditional Irish music. We're here inside O'Sullivan's Irish pub and restaurant in Carlsbad enjoying a nice cold Guinness. Now, this beer was first brewed in Dublin, Ireland in 1759, and today it's one of the most recognizable brands, and it's brewed in over 50 countries. Cheers. So where are you going to celebrate International Beer Day? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're thinking about buying or selling, think of Powers Premier, Revolutionizing Real Estate.